Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. So I have y'all in a different setting today. We are in my closet, and that's how I want it. I don't want to be out in my kitchen today which is where I typically film. But anyway, so I have my tea here, which if y'all want to join in on the hashtag Tea Tuesday, just be sure and tag the creators, Kathy's Favorite Things and Life with Patty. I want to thank them for hosting this because I haven't done it in a while, but it's always good to just keep everybody posted with what's going on in your life and I guess showing off a little bit of Happy Mail, which is what I'm going to be doing today. So I walked to my mailbox yesterday and I saw some Happy Mail and I was just filled with like awe of just all the friends that I'm surrounded with. You guys are amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. And even though y'all don't send me any Happy Mail, or even though haven't sent y'all any Happy Mail for Christmas, like, just know you guys are in my thoughts, y'all are in my heart, and I think about you guys all the time. And today's Happy Mail, we have some from Cornflower Crafts, Creating with Jovi and Giselle. So let's start off with Corn. So hi Corn, I hope all is well. Please tell Handsome I said hello, and to all your little gnomies. So I'm sure all of y'all are familiar with Corn's little gnomes on her channel and her beautiful cards that she makes, her wonderful hauls as well. So thank you, my sweet friend Corn. She makes such beautiful handmade cuties. So here we have a card from Corn, and oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. Her layering is delicious. I love the music paper here. She's even taken the time to do the edges here. Look at this. How beautiful. Corn, thank you so much for thinking of me. This is so sweet. She wrote, Dear BB and family, it's the most wonderful time of the year. And look how she's even de-stressed that with some pink, which I think is spun sugar. She really likes that one. Merry Christmas, sweet lady who plays along with my jokes. Wishing you all the happy things this very loving holiday brings. Happy 2023 hugs, Corn and Handsome. Dude, she is so sweet. Thank you so much, Corn. This is a beautiful card. This would even look beautiful on a journal as like a little journal topper, wouldn't it? Beautiful. Thank you so much, my sweet friend. I hope she has a wonderful holiday too and has a wonderful new year going into 2023. I cannot believe how fast this year has zoomed by us. Pretty crazy. I'm going to take a little bit of this tea. I selected lemon ginger probiotics. I came down with some pharyngitis. It's weird to me because I don't have tonsils, and I've been struggling with them, which just makes no sense. But anyways, cheers. I could almost drink it all. It's so good. It gave it time to cool off while I taped off the information to cover up addresses and stuff, so it's perfect. The next one comes from my sweet friend Creating with Jovi. So hi Jovi. She recently invited me over to her collaboration, the hashtag December Weekly, and I've been having lots of fun with that. Jovi is pretty well known for her journals. She has a wonderful Etsy shop where she sells them, and she has great tutorials, and she's also doing the hashtag December Weekly, so be sure and catch her on that. Plenty of stuff to go around for this month. Got a bunch of talented crafters. And look how cute this sticker is on here with her P.O. box and the flamingos. So precious. Thank you, Jovi, as well for thinking of me. Let's see what we got. Ooh! I feel some glitter. Oh, look at this reindeer. And I love his, like, lopsided eyeballs. I love anything that's, like, off-centered. Is that not just so cute? And then if I dig further deep, we have a little cut apart here. Seeing your smile makes me happy. Seeing her smile, she has a great smile. Here it is. Here's her little card. She says, "Dear BB, thank you for taking part in my 2K giveaway. You are so welcome, Jovi. Congrats. And also for collaborating with me in December Weekly. Thank you for having me. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. I hope you and yours have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year as well, Jovi. Thank you for that sweet card. Look at this. And it's a little pocket. Look at all this glitter. Are you guys seeing this?" So she's made a cute little pocket here with some cut aparts. I am working on something, so I may use these for my December Weekly and or my cutie that I'm working on currently. Thank you for sharing these with me. And I like this because not all of us have the same thing. We can always share cuties like this. And ooh, look at these ornaments. I love that. That's beautiful. And these cute little snowflakes. Oh my god, yes. Thank you, Jovi. And I love your pocket. 2 adorbs. I'm guessing she took a little greeting card and upcycled it into this DIY pocket. That's so cute. And y'all see the gold on the edge there? So cute. Thank you, Jovi. Thank you so much. Next we have Giselle. She's such a sweetheart, you guys. Giselle, she's such a talented journal creator as well. Amazing thrifty hauls. I love her hauls. And she used to do little tips and stuff, and she hasn't done it in a while, but I used to be crazy over those videos too. Just a little tips here and there for crafters. I'm gonna go ahead and open that off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and is this not the cutest? Look at little Snoopy. Oh, so cute. And then she put a little sticker here that says Merry Christmas. Cute envelope, and even the stamp. Sorry if the lighting in here is not the best, but it's a chill, laid back kind of video, so I hope you guys don't mind. Look at the back. Isn't that sweet? Very cute. Look, such a cute card. Good tidings of great joy. Look how happy he is. Love that. Oh my. She's even included little extras here. We'll take a look at those in a minute. She says, "This Christmas, may simple things like peace and love fill your heart with joy." I have, you guys. I mean, throughout the month of December, I feel like I've been bombarded with love, and I feel like I don't deserve it. Wishing y'all a very happy holiday. Giselle, you're so sweet. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Be sure and check out her channel, you guys, if y'all have not already. Look at this cute little snowflake. It looks like a little gift tag. We could put to and from, but I think I will be using that in a journal because it's just too cute. And here we have one that says joy, and another little tag says season's greetings. Aren't these so cute? What a thoughtful little thing to do, Giselle. Thank you. Oh, look, I didn't even see the little verses here. I love verses. Thank you. Y'all are just too sweet. I can't. I don't deserve you guys. Oh, that was really sweet, you guys. Thank y'all so much. That is gonna be it for me, you guys. Once again, I want to thank y'all for taking time to click on my video, for joining me in today's hashtag Tea Tuesday. I will catch y'all on the next one, and y'all take care. Bye.